Are you looking to buy rural land? Have you seen some listings with cesspools and some with septic tanks? Curious what the difference is? Well, in today's video, we have the top things you should know. Number 1, what is a cesspool? A cesspool is essentially a lined hole in the ground that collects sewage. It does not filter the waste. Number 2, what is a septic tank? A septic tank is an underground wastewater treatment unit that is commonly used in rural areas where there is no centralized sewage system. It collects and filters out wastewater and then disperses it into an absorption field. Number 3, which is better, a cesspool or a septic tank? Well, in short, a septic tank is better. It does treat the water, after all. Number 4, what is the problem with a cesspool? Well, if you don't pump or maintain it properly, it can overflow and contaminate your property. On top of this, cesspools are now banned in most areas. So, if you're looking to build a home, a cesspool likely won't be an option anyway. And number 5, what do you do if you have an old home with a cesspool? Well, make sure you maintain it properly. Protect the cesspool from being crushed. Test the waste levels on a regular basis. Repair any leaks right away. Be thoughtful about what items you're putting down your drain. And protect your cesspool from excess rainwater. So that covers the basics. But at this point, you may be thinking, well, how bad is a cesspool really? If all I have to do is maintain it properly, why can't I build one on my property? Well, to answer that question, let's take a closer look at Hawaii. Would you guess that Hawaii has more cesspools per capita than any other state? It wouldn't have been on my top 5 list. Yet Hawaii was one of the last states to ban cesspools. So to date, the state has almost 90,000 cesspools that discharge more than 53 million gallons of untreated sewage each day into the groundwater. And that means, you guessed it, polluted well water. In fact, the State Department of Health has shown that 25% of drinking water wells in one area alone have tested positive for fecal indicator bacteria. This is why the state is desperately trying to remove all of the existing cesspools. But the effort is hindered by the sheer number of cesspools, as well as sordid stories of bribery and criminal noncompliance. Yet the cesspool of politics aside, a physical cesspool on your property may not only get you in trouble with county officials, it could also contaminate your water. So if you're building on your land, why not shell out for a septic system? Your health is worth it after all. But what do you think? Do you have any stories about cesspools or septic tanks? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down listings at gokcecapital.com/listings. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.